This is the heart of China's mechanical technology, ZOOMLION Smart City. Upon completion, it will become the world's largest and most comprehensive construction machinery industry base. Hi guys! A very warm welcome from ZOOMLION Smart City. Today we are at the ZOOMLION Machinery Industry Park to see how a ZOOMLION excavator can be produced here. So let's go and see. Hey, look! A lovely eco-friendly tool car. And never try to walk here because it has 7 million square meters. Let's go. ZOOMLION is a world-leading construction machinery manufacturer, which mainly engages in R&D and manufacturing of construction machinery, agricultural machinery, and other high-tech equipment and building materials. Over 30,000 staffs are working here happily. So now we're at the gate of the assembly workshop, the world's leading advanced intelligence factory. And now follow me and let's see what happens here. It can manufacture 50,000 excavators from 1.5 tons of mini excavators to 50 tons of large excavators every year, with an annual output value of more than 30 billion yuan. So you can see here, this big guy is our automatic turnover machine. Compared with the traditional single-column one, it's definitely more powerful, faster, and also more accurate positioning. It used to take 2 workers about 20 minutes. It's entirely a physical task, but now I can complete it within 3 minutes. There are many robots like this in the factories. Not only it is more efficient and productive, but also the quality control is stricter. And you can see here, this one is our automatic gluing machine. It will plate glue onto the supporting support on the lower frame, and the glue plate is not only beautiful, but also waterproof and leak-proof. Just over here, it is the most critical step, the upper frame and lower frame of the excavator to be combined, which is the most time-consuming and laborious before. But now, with this intelligence lifting equipment, it can be automatic handling and accurate docking. And you can see here the combination work used to be the most time-consuming one during the traditional manufacturing process, but now we can only have 2 workers to complete the whole job within 5 minutes. And also the pass rate can be reached 100%. Sure enough, the world's lighthouse factory. So you might have noticed there are some QR codes on the floor and also on the shelves on both sides of the road. So these QR codes are like the beacons of the AGVs. Just in this factory, there are more than 100 AGVs like this, which can deliver a screw or several tons of the arms to the designated spaces. That we fully meet the standard of the green strategy and also the eco-friendly strategy from the government. So this is the end of today's factory tour. Now ZOOMLION has 8 lighthouse factories and over 300 production lines with 5G techniques. So this is just a epitome of the smart city.